Number 9. Number 9 says, the area of a rectangular city park is 25/54 square miles. The length of the park is 5/9 miles. What is the width in miles of the park? So I drew a picture of a park. It's got a little pond and some trees and some swings and a slide. And I've got that the area is 25/54. I didn't say square miles. Miles squared. Okay. They've given us the length. We've got to find the width. Now we know the area of a rectangle is either length times width, or we could say the area of the rectangle is base times height. This is kind of more of an elementary school way to write it. This is more of a high school way to write it. So if we know the area is 25/54. Whoops, I wrote a 4. Erase that. 54. And we we know the length. 5/9 times, we don't know the width. We can find that missing number by doing the opposite of what this says. This says to multiply. But since we don't know what to multiply by, we can divide the area by 5/9. We practiced this a good bit last week. 25/54 divided by 5/9 to figure out what this missing number is. So we're going to divide. We have the area and the length, but we're missing the width. So if we're missing the two things we multiply to get our answer, then we can divide the answer by this one to get the width. Okay. So to divide fractions, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to keep this first one the same. 25/54, keep it the same. Change the division to multiplication, and we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So that's going to flip that over. Keep, change, flip to the reciprocal. All right, let's look for seesaw friends. There's a good bit of seesaw friends here. 54 and 9. They both have a 9 in common. 9 will go into 54 6 times. 9 will go into 9 1 time. And now 25 and 5. They also have something in common. They have a 5 in common. 5 will go into 25 5 times. 5 will go into 5 1 time. Well, that's nice. We almost divided everything out. Multiply straight across. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 1 is 6. So 5/6. That is our missing length. Missing width. 5/6 miles.